Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable the built-in VPN in Opera browser. Using a VPN can help you protect your privacy online, access geo-restricted content, and browse the web more securely. Select Settings. Click on Privacy and Security in the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down to the VPN section. Toggle the Enable VPN switch to On. Once you've enabled Opera's VPN, you can click on the VPN icon in the address bar to see your current location and data usage. You can also click on the Virtual Location drop-down menu to choose a different location for your VPN. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below. Give it a like up and subscribe to my channel for more content.